If you want to place pending orders quickly and avoid confusing errors like invalid price, here's the easiest method using MT4. Firstly, make sure one-click trading is enabled by going to Tools, then Options, then the Trade tab and checking the box that says one-click trading. You'll also want to decide your lot size in advance, since this method will place the order instantly. Now on your chart, activate the crosshair tool by pressing Ctrl and F, or click the crosshair to the price level where you want to place your pending order. Then right-click directly on that price, go to Trading, and select the order type MT4 suggests. If the level is above the current market price, MT4 will suggest a buy stop or sell limit. If it's below, you'll see buy limit or sell stop. Click the one that appears and the pending order will be placed immediately using your preset lot size. No thinking needed. To enter your stop loss or take profit, go to the Trade tab at the bottom of your screen, find your pending order and double-click it. That will bring up the order modification window where you can enter your stop loss, take profit, or adjust the price level if needed. This method lets MT4 automatically determine the correct order type for you and saves time by placing the order in just one click. If this video helped you, please hit that like and subscribe. Happy trading!